Hello, today I would like to discuss how to search an object in SQL Server using SQL Script and SQL Search tool. I'll use Adventure World Database for this demo. In my job every day, I'm dealing with multiple databases and working on many SQL objects such as table, stored procedures, and SQL functions. And every now and then I need to find a specific object or a particular code sections in one database or multiple databases. And here I will share two different ways of finding SQL objects. I can use the SQL script, type in a search string and then run the query. For instance, if I'm going to type in sales and run the query, it will return multiple objects. Here, the object is a constraint, user table, maybe foreign key, such and such. And the object definition refers to the actual detail of the stored procedures. Another way to get the SQL search is using SQL Search, the free tool download from the internet. There's a really good tools I've been using for many years. Here you can choose the database you want to search. You can choose one database or multiple database. You can decide what type you want to search. By default, it's search on all the different types. And then you can start to type in the search text. For instance, if you want to search anything, any object containing the price, and all of a sudden it returns the dim table, the fact table, and also the stored procedure. You can double click the object which navigate you to the object itself. Here you can see the price is sitting in fact internet sales. For instance, if you want to do a free text search, tips, okay, and all of a sudden it shows this containing these free text in the object details. Searching SQL objects is very important during our everyday development works, and both the SQL script and the SQL search works quite well. I hope you find this tip useful. Don't forget to click subscribe and leave your comment if you like it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.